Welcome to Ambition Woke Me Up. Today we'll be discussing frame control. So let's get into it. What is frame control? Frame control is the ability to change the input and interpretation on how a person views you. A frame is how you see the world and how others see you in this world. You see, you have the ability to control and dominate someone's frame. When you own the frame, you set the standards of who is in control. This knowledge of frame control can help you create your own environment and influence the value in your presence. You can turn any bad situations into a good situation that will work for you. Your frame will be interpreted by everyone who comes into contact with you. This means they will feel everything you're feeling, just by the way you're acting and speaking. If you're in a group and you feel awkward, they will feel awkward too. If you feel sad, they will feel uncomfortable. And if you feel angry, they will feel edgy. Whatever you are feeling in the moment will be projected through your body language, thoughts, and words. So snap the fuck out of it and project positive, fun, happy vibes. Dominate the emotions of an interaction, and you control their reality. Now imagine if you were a rapper or a movie actor, and you walked into a club. Everyone would want to speak to you and take a picture with you. Now you're controlling that environment without worrying about what to say to women and what people think of you. None of that stuff matters because you are only focused on yourself and in the moment. So thank you for your time. If you haven't subscribed and this provided enough value for you, please subscribe. Have a fantastic day.